Hi everyone, today I would like to discuss about this like a financial statement versions, the configuration document I will show. I will do one configuration and I will show you the how it will be generated. So these are the steps we have to perform, and I want to show the OB58 slash n OB58. Just go to the OB58, go to the new entries, and you have to give your financial statement version name and a description over here, language, and all those things. I will show you how I have done. So if you see here, again I want to go with the OB58. Just I have created like a TM30 named as financial statement version. So if you see here, this is the TM30 financial statement version for Tata Motors. I select this and I want to show the details like this. This is the thing I have given TM30 financial statement version for Tata Motors 30 English, and I put a tick mark over item key auto chart of accounts I have given. I have given all the details as per the document and I have saved it. And after that, what you have, then click on the financial statement items. So these are the items I have selected. So if you want to select, like, you can the drop down over here in profit and loss account. I have created the expense account, revenue account, other accounts. In balance sheet, if you want to see, just drop down assets and liabilities. I have created like this. So if you see here, if you want to create new item, you can create over here, and by this creating I have given this all items over here. So if you see, this appears like this, and double click on profit and loss account and fill the details as shown the bigger. So if you want to see the expenses account, these are the expense account I have created. There's a 3000 to 3006 I have mentioned over here. If you want to create any more, like if you just click here and create items, by creating the items, these are the GL accounts I am maintaining in the expenses. Likewise, if you go with the revenue, and the revenue is the this is the number, this number to this number I have maintained. If you go and see here, these are the numbers I have provided by creating the items. So in others, if anything is there, I want to, first of all, you have to create the items and you have to tell the item which are the items will fall under this. It will be there like so. Likewise, if you go and see here in the document, if the first of all, you have to give like this profit and loss account and fill the details as shown in the below. These are the things you have to perform, and in balance sheet I have given like this. In balance sheet I have mentioned the which are the accounts was created GL accounts. I have mentioned the 1002 11 GL accounts are there. I have created under this like this. Liabilities is there. Liabilities from TM30 2000 to 2007 is there, and again I have created this sub. So these are the things I have created by me by giving all the GL accounts and all. So if you see here in the document, this is the way I have created one by one, and you can see now what we have to do. Like, we have to I have assigned the GL accounts individually by giving the expense account. If you want to create under this, you can create item, you can give like this. So I can assign the numbers and all those things you can do like this. So if there is numbers, you can give the number from number to number. You put a tick mark on debit and credit. By giving this, you will be um, putting under this liabilities, which account to which account. If you want individually, again you can go and you can assign the GL accounts. It will be appears over here. So if you go and see here, all is done. Like, I have put the individually, I have taken create items and assign the GL accounts individually based on this item wise I have taken. In profit and loss account, expenses, revenues, and others. In balance sheet, asset accounting and liabilities I have taken. Under that, I have assigned the number GL accounts, which I GL account to which GL account I have assigned. Individually, I have given the what are the GL accounts I have given with the number. It will be appearing over here. So if you see here, this is all done. I want to show you the financial statement, how to generate the financial statement in SAP. So f.01, we just go with the slash n f.01. So what is the chart of accounts? Go to the chart of accounts TM30 and company code. You have to give your company code over here, and by seeing this document you will be knowing report will appear as shown in the below. You just execute it. This is the report. If you see here, Tata Motors of company Mumbai, ledger is leading ledger we can call as 0L. Financial statement version for Tata Motors 30. Time is like this one, today's date. And if you observe here, company code, business area, if anything else, this will come under the company code. These are the business areas we are maintaining, and profit and loss account, expenses, revenues. And if you scroll down, all will come over here. Likewise, you can see individually. These individually come how much this was done by HDFC Bank and all those things, reporting period, comparison period, all will come in this financial statement version. This is the asset, this is the profit and loss account. You can see like this by configuring into the system by OB58 as per the needs and requirement. You will go and you will select the how many the items should be there. Under that you will be selecting and you will be assigning the numbers, GL account number from number to number. Individually you can assign the numbers with the different line items. Like if you have chosen like any expenses, mean how many expenses are there, you can give it there, and incomes and as like others in profit and loss account, in a balance sheet, assets and liabilities. And you can generate the financial statement by slash f.01 by giving the chart of accounts and company code. If you execute it, it will show the financial statement entire period. This is the way to see the financial statement version in SAP.